Hello everyone. In this lecture, I'll be telling you the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture practically. So let us understand the term homogeneous mixture first. Homo means same and genus means kind. It means that solution is made up of same kind of particle everywhere. In other term, we can say that these mixture have same composition. Composition, the word composition is very important here. It means the substance which are used to make a particular thing. For example, if I want to make lemonade, I need water, sugar, salt and lemon. These four things are required to make lemonade. So its composition will be water, sugar, salt and lemon. Anything that is required to make a particular substance is called its composition. So let's do it practically. I am adding sugar first, then I am adding salt into it, and at last I am adding lemon water into it. So its composition include four things now. If I mix it properly, now it is a mixture as it is including four different things. Okay, why we are calling it homogeneous mixture? Because you can see it is completely mixed as it is including four different things. Okay, why we are calling it homogeneous mixture? Because you can see it is completely mixed. It's transparent now. The solution is clear now because it is completely mixed. Secondly, why we are what does this homo means here? Homo means it has the same composition throughout. If I take the water from the tip, you can see it is clear solution, and if you taste it, it will taste all the four things together. Okay, the taste will be same. It is including water, lemon, sugar and salt. If you are taking this from the tip of the solution, if I throw it out and take another solution from anywhere, imagine I have taken it from the bottom one. It is again containing the same thing, that is water, sugar, salt and lemon. This means its composition is same throughout. Homogeneous means same composition throughout and the solution is completely clear. So let's understand second term, heterogeneous mixture. The word hetero means different and genus means kind. It means its composition is different. Let's understand what does it mean. If I take water in one beaker and if I add sand into it, if I mix it and let it settle for some time, after some time you can observe a layer here, this layer. Okay, above it water is present and below it both water and salt is present. If I take the uppermost layer, you can see mostly water is present. If I let it settle for another hour, you will observe only water at uppermost layer and all the sand will settle at the bottom layer. Okay, but if I take it out from the bottom layer, you can see both sand as well as water is there. So composition will be different. At the upper side only water is present and at the bottom both sand and water is present. Now the composition means the substance by which a particular thing is made is different here. Uppermost only water is present and at the bottom both water as well as sand is present. So this is an example of heterogeneous mixture, which means that the composition is different throughout. Okay, and you can also observe that it is not completely mixed here, right? And there is a third point of difference. This is our homogeneous mixture. There is no line of separation because it is completely mixed. But in this case, you can see this line of separation. Okay, there are homogeneous mixture, there is no line of separation because it is completely mixed. But in this case you can see this line of separation, okay, this one. So this line of separation is made indicating that above water is present and below both water and sand is present. If you let it settle for 1 hour, you will observe clear water at uppermost side, but because of the time span I am not able to settle it for 1 hour. Okay, you can try it at your home. You will see a clear water layer above and all the sand will be collected at the bottom one, and you can clearly see this separation line in homogeneous mixture. So let's have a quick recap. In case of homogeneous mixture, it is completely mixed. Heterogeneous mixture is not completely mixed. In heterogeneous mixture you can see the separation line. In homogeneous mixture there is no separation line. Homogeneous mixture have same composition throughout. It means if you take out the water from top layer or bottom layer or from between, it will have the same taste, same number of items and same water, lemon and everything. The composition will be same. But in heterogeneous, above layer will have water only and bottom layer will have both water and sand. Okay, so these are the basic difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture.